buddy, here we go. Here is my practice routine. So usually, as soon as I pick up my guitar, I usually do some, I don't know, Barchords. I'll do a little power chord to end it. Then I do scales. You know, and then I just go up here. Every now and then I do a chord scale. Every now and then. Next I'll just do some, I don't know, power chord practice, I guess, you know. That's what I would do usually, just to warm up my fingers if it's cold in here or something. You know, that's just a slide from 45 on both strings, then 7 5 7 5 7 5 7 5. You know, it's just a little kind of like that, kind of like that. You know, it's kind of something like that. Second, I'll get, well, whatever it is, I'll get my rhythm practicing. So you can change that to fit whatever you're doing. Say if you're doing Barchords, make this that a G, and then make this a, you know. So instead of doing a G, like a G power chord, just do a G bar chord, you know. And then down here, just do a C bar chord, you know what I mean? See, that's kind of situational. By the way, that song's called Polly by Nirvana. It's pretty good. And then whenever I want to get my speed up, I just do the opening to Dust in a Baggie, my Billy Strings. You can check that out. It's pretty much on my channel. So that's about it, though. Well, actually, that ain't it. And then I do like a little, you know, I try to do like, then I just do some, you know, just do some random song in there, you know. Then I practice my downstrokes, which is pretty easy in my opinion, but it goes. Turn on the game. You know, I just play Master of Puppets because that's what they tell you to play if you want to practice, you know, downstrokes. So, you know, set up a metronome. I start at 120 beats per minute and then hit one every stroke. And then, you know, just try to go up every time it hits 4. You know, and then go up to 8. Then you'll basically just run. You know, then I do my palm muting practice. Just every now and then. You know, I mean, kill 'em all, you know, all that, that's pretty good, but seeking a show is good. And then, you know, then I do some, like, random harmonics. Because I like you doing them solos. You know, well, I can't do it right now, but, you know. I usually do the solo up here at the 12th, whenever I'm doing solos. You know, and then finger picking, which is pretty easy in my opinion, it's just. And then. It's money for nothing, by the way. And then I just do some, I don't know. Sometimes I even do that with hybrid picking. And you know, it's just cowboy chords. You know, but you know, I can't really get mad at that. Okay. So, that's it, really. Hope y'all have a little nice day. And keep it funky, brothers.